Hey guys, Igor here, doing one more AppSumo review today, analyzing Usetiful, a tool that claims to improve user adoptions with customizable onboarding experience. Usetiful is a digital adoption platform that helps you craft onboarding experience that reduce user churn. So it's a kind of a user guide, walk me what a fix experience. So the idea here is that you will use it full to show the main features of your SaaS or your online school to your users. It's a kind of an educational tool that help to guide your users through your online school or your SaaS platform. They have several plans. Now AppSumo has the tier plan. So tier 1, tier 2, tier 3. Now it's the main feature on AppSumo. And you can see here that you need to get at least 2 codes to remove Usetiful watermark. So it's the main deal here. If you are going to buy that tool, plan to buy at least 2 codes that now is licensed tier 2. And then you can see here that you have up to tier 4. And on tier 4, what changed here is the number of team members and also the number of assists per month. The assist would be the user. So let's say you have less than 10,000 new students per month. So you are good to go with the tier 2. The main use case tier 2 is good enough. Okay, so that are the limits, the number of assists per month and also the number of team members. You can get up to 50,000 of assists per month. So let's go to their website. As you can see here, I like a lot their user experience, design experience here. You can see that they have a good branding and also a pretty clean website. They already have big players using their tool. Humanity Forward Foundation. Here you can see a university. So it's kind of cool to use it to guide your students to understand the online experience. I think I'm gonna buy it for that use case. Use it with students. And as you can see here, also they have articles, so they are taking care of their CEOs, which is a good sign for us. I created a free account, so you can see here the interface that is also pretty clean. You have content, report, teams, and marketplace. Okay, you start creating a tour. The main thing here is to creating a tour. So you come here and click on add a tour. Oh, okay, I need to use my main tour here because I have the free plan. Okay, as you can see here, you start creating your tour flow. Here, tour starts automatically when the user log in on your online school. And then they have the welcome message. Welcome, we have prepared for you a guided tour to help you get started with our product. And you're gonna change, of course, your everything that is written here. Okay, and change to hello, for instance, and etc. And then you just add new steps. You can choose a pointer, a modal, slide out, a redirect. Let's go to create a delay first. Let's say you want to create your hello message and then delay 5 seconds. And then the next step is gonna appear a slide out. As you can see here, on your down right, write your content here. So here is my second step. When you are teaching your user about your product, you can also use a model. Number 4, they're gonna appear here on the center. Here is my third step. Okay, you can add images, as you can see here. You can add videos. Okay, you can format your step in a way that will be good to your students or your users. And you can also use a pointer. Okay, you're gonna point to a place on your site or your online school, and then say, oh, here you can start your lesson, or here you can start to create your email marketings. All right, so you can use it to point to any place of your screen. All right, here you can add new features, for instance, show progress. So you can tell your users if they are finishing their tour or not. So it will appear at which time of the tour they are while they are doing it. And they have reports. Okay, the reports look like that, so you can see how many assists you did have, and how many tours started, and how many tours were completed. Okay, and you can change the theme. I can show you because I have the free plan. So you can change the theme to add your own colors, so you can customize the tour relating it to your brand. Okay, and the marketplace is where you can find other tools that you can use with Usetiful, so they're partners. And also the admin settings, you can see here that your team signs, okay, change your passwords, and the security. Okay, pretty simple to use that tool to create your tour and add new features to your SaaS or your online school. I am planning to buy this. I'm only gonna think a little bit more if it would fit my use case on my online school. I hope you like that review. If you like it, please click on the link and buy Usetiful using my link to help me to keep going. Thank you so much. Bye bye.